Hi guys, welcome to my channel Proceedinstyle, and today I'm going to show you how this beetroot can help you do a beautiful makeup. So let's get started guys. First we'll apply the lipstick. There some part of it. This is a boiled beetroot. Yeah. To get the best effect. Don't waste it guys, I've just taken a very small part. Not to waste any of the vegetables, use it wisely. Okay, so there are two parts out of one. Okay guys, this was your lipstick. You can see. You can shape it if you want, or else make it look more juicy like this. Yeah. This is how it looks. Beautiful beetroot lips. You can see guys how beautiful it looks. Natural. You don't have to put any chemicals. Just beetroot. Isn't it? The same small part I'll be applying on my cheeks. Okay. You can see that it is the best blush ever. It gives you amazing effects. Yeah, now you can see a little bit blush on my cheeks. Yeah. Okay. Same way on the other cheek. Don't waste it. I'm just taking a very small portion of it, not to waste any of those. Okay guys. Looks good. Let me know in the comments, how does this look? This is a natural look. I've not put any makeup on my face. Can you see anything on my face? Only this. So now you can just move your hair on this side and apply it like, you do your makeup. Same way. Can you see that? It gives you actual shine, actual. These are the only two things which we have done till now. That is your lips, your cheeks. You can see how real color it is. And your forehead. Also you can use it here and make it look like real. Yeah. Does it give you that real look? Yes. So kind of for like a highlighter, you can just tap it this way. Yeah. Move it, but tap it for like a highlighter. That's it. So guess what guys, just smudge it like with your fingers only, no need of any brush, nothing. You can just make it look like this. Okay, so now once I keep my hair like no left is, just put a drop of water if you want in this. Okay, only one drop. Okay guys, not much water, only one drop of water. Take out all the juice from the beet. You can see guys, yeah. Now you can apply this on eyelids as eyeshadow. Yes. Can you see the effect? Fine. Same way you can do it for your other eye as well. Just use the color. Yes, dab it like this until you get the color of it. See? Put it up, put it up, put it up. Next, later on you can remove it also, no problem. It doesn't stick anywhere. Yeah. So did you see how beautiful it gives you? Now you can just rub it like this. Yeah. Also, if you want to put a one lid like this, whoever has dark circles, guys, you can put like one tap of this down here, so it won't be seen like you have dark circles. This is the look which you get with beetroot. You don't have to use any eyeshadow or anything, if you can see. So yes, whichever, wherever you'll see the bead, you can remove it off like this. Now everything is done. Yes, so guys, you can see this is the best makeup you can do wherever you want to go. You don't need any other makeup products. This is the best look. You can just put on your eyeliner and make it look the best. If you want to increase the brightness of your lipstick, just do one thing, eat it. Whatever juice you can see on this, dab it here. Yeah, so you can see the darkness. Yeah, looks beautiful. So guys, you can see the eyebrows also. I've done it with beetroot and the eyebrows look stunning. So if you want to use it like your eyebrow pencil, it is the best method you can opt for. So this is it. These are the results. So this is the final look. How is this? Let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you soon with another amazing video, guys. Stay tuned. So this is it, guys.